out here doing PR for the llamas. When you get little kids, and these animals take little tiny steps, these huge animals, big furry animals over the top of them, and they get llama kissed or they touch them and just breathe gently down on them. How can you not fall in love with it? You know, they're just extremely careful around the elderly people, infants, babies. We had a blind lady walk one, mentally challenged people, handicapped people, people in wheelchairs and walkers. Nothing bothers them.
Myself and walking around. I think walking.
Have you guys walked the llamas before?
No.
Were you scared?
No.
Why not?
Because they don't look like they would hurt you. Yeah.
Please congratulate